Hi everyone, I'm Engine Cadet Bildira. Developed by the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle, this model is one of the earliest and most influential theories of communication. It emphasizes the speaker, the speech, and the audience as the core elements of communication, highlighting the art of precision. The three key elements are speaker, speech, and audience. The person delivering the message, their credibility, ethos, knowledge, and character greatly impact the effectiveness of communication. For example, a renowned scientist giving a lecture on a complex topic has high ethos, making the audience more likely to trust and listen. Of message, it should be well structured, logical, and spelling. A persuasive speech might use facts, data, and reasoning to convince the audience. For instance, a politician presenting a plan to improve the economy with detailed statistics. The recipients of the message, understanding, and the audience interest, values, and belief is crucial. A marketing campaign targeting young adults will use different language and ideas compared to one aimed at senior citizen. The audience emotion can also be appealed to, like in a charity and advertisement that tugs at heartstrings. Here's an example. Imagine that there's a political rally. The man standing at the front is the speaker, and the people sitting at the chair is the audience, and the speech is they talking about what they can suggest for upcoming election. Aristotle's model of communication remains relevant today, guiding effective communication in various contexts. By focusing on the speaker, speech, and audience, we can create more persuasive and impactful message.